So today's lesson is all about the Duke Ellington Ending, a way to close out swing numbers. In a live situation, if you're playing in a group, whether it be a duo, quartet, however many numbers, it's really important that you're able to close off the tune all together and with authority and confidence. Firstly, we want all of the band to be on the same page and for the ending to sound cohesive and to sound confident and strong. Secondly, the audience needs a signal that the song has finished, and when you get a weak, sort of feeble ending, you get that sort of, should we clap? Are they finished? So a good ending like this is great to have in your locker because it's punchy, it says we're finishing the song. And having a range of endings up your sleeve is so important when you're playing live to sound professional and tight. One such ending that we're going to cover today is called the Duke Ellington Ending. So let's take the key of C. So we start on, if we find a C, I'm on fret 5 of the G string, that's a C, so that's our tonic. And then we're going to drop down to E, which is the 3rd of C, up to F. Then we're going to go a chromatic passing note, F sharp or G flat, and then G the 5th. So C, E, F, G flat, G, and then up the C major scale, A, B, C. So it's really just a C major scale going up from an E, but just with a G flat stuck in. So C, E, F, G flat, G, A, B, C. You can put a chord on the end, you know, like I have on the music there. You know, you could do a dead chord like that. Or, you know, you could leave one sustained. I like putting like a jazzy sounding chord, like something like, if I put a C7 flat 5 on the end, it would sound like this. Leave it ringing so it's got that kind of mystery at the end. But you can either just have the soloist playing it, so you know the rhythm section will stop dead, so they stop, you go, and they might join you with that chord at the end, whether you do a sustained chord or like a stop dead chord like I'm doing there. But you can experiment with what chords to end on, C6, C6, 9 as I've got in the music, or C major 7, or C7 flat 5, C9. I've written it just in one position there, so why not try finding C elsewhere on the neck, like here on the D string. See if you can find it on the higher register so it stands out, it cuts across the other members of the band a bit more. B string. You know, there's lots of different places you can play it, so, and you want to be able to play it in different places because of how it comes in. So how are you going to use this ending? Well, for me it works best and really only works in major swing tunes, and by things like that I mean things like Take the A Train, I don't know, things like All of Me. Obviously this ending is placed at the end of the form, so you want a standard where the last 4 bars go into a 2-5-1 essentially. So if we took Take the A Train, which goes D minor 7, G7, C, that's where we can put it. So we're going to put it in the last 2 bars. So the band will still play D minor 7, G7, and then stop dead. So essentially what we're doing there is cutting off the last 2 bars of the rhythm of the chord progression and playing this ending. So like we solo over that or play the head, the 2-5, the D minor 7, G7, then stick our ending in like that. Sometimes multiple players will play it, like a bass player will join in, the pianist, or other instruments you've got with you, but probably if you're just getting used to this, it's probably sensible just to do it yourself. So practice suggestions. First, get comfortable with this ending in one key, like the key of C. Be able to find it from any C on the neck if you like, so you can move it around, because this ending, or any ending you're going to do, will come in, if you're the soloist, it will come in, you know, whilst you're either playing the end of the head or improvising, and you might be in different places on the neck, so you need to be able to find it easily. You could then try it in different keys, and when you feel ready, try it in a live situation or at a jam. If you'd like to get a little bit more Duke Ellington into your life, then why not check out my video on Take the A Train, where I share with you the chords and how to solo over those changes. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're an old or new subscriber, I really do appreciate you tuning into my videos, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and joining us every Wednesday for jazz guitar lessons, and I will see you guys next week.